Good morning, children. In the last class, we have already learned about highest common factor. Today, we are going to learn about lowest common multiple. Okay. In the word itself, it is there, lowest common multiple. Multiple means multiples of 2. Multiples, multiplication table, multiples of 2, that is 2 into 1, 2 into 2, etc. Multiples of 3, 3 into 1, 3 into 2, etc. Like that, you have the multiples. Okay. So among that, we have to see the common multiple. And the word here is lowest. In highest common factor, we learned about highest. Here the word is lowest. In case of lowest, you can use, that is, when the word problem comes, like last time I discussed, in lowest, we'll be looking for minimum. Instead of minimum, then smallest. Okay, shortest. So all these things will come for lowest common multiple. Now there are some complications to this as well. We'll be discussing it later. Now today let us start only with lowest common multiple. Find LCM of 12 and 80. If I give you multiples of 12, children, I'm going to give you multiples of 12. Multiples of 12 are 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, etc. It will keep on going. Then I have multiples of 18. 18, 118 is 18, 218. If you don't know to multiply, you can add and write 2 into 18, that is 36, 3 into 18, that is 54. So it goes on like that. Now we have to find the common multiple. Okay. Now after 52, 4 8s are 4 18s are 72. Let me write here 72 as well. And here if you take after 60, 5 12s are 60, 6 12s are 72. Okay, now we are going to write the common multiple. We are going to write the common multiple. What are the common multiples you have? This method you have already learned, isn't it? What are the common multiples we have? We have here 36 and here also we have 36. So the common multiple is 36, comma. Then we have 72. Here also we have 72. So common multiples are 36 and 72. And least common multiple that we write as LCM, that is equal to, which is the lowest one in this, lowest one is 36. So LCM will be 36. That is, you can write LCM of 12, 18 is equal to 36. This is how you write, children. The same one I'm going to show you as you learned division of prime factors, finding the prime factors, HCF. The same way we'll be doing LCM as well. Do you remember when we divided HCF, for finding HCF, we divided using the common factor for both. So here we have 2 and 8. Which prime number will go in both? Divisibility test. So 2, you can go with 2. 6 2s are 12, 9 2s are 18. Now we go with 6 and 9. 9 will not, 2 cannot be used because 9 is not divisible by 2. But we can use 3 next. So 2 3s are 6. 3 3s are 9. Now we have reached the end point, that is 2 and 3. Isn't it? They both are prime numbers. Now we cannot go any further. Now if this is HCF, then we will take only these two numbers, 2 and 3. If we are finding HCF, we'll take only these two numbers, 2 and 3. The HCF will be 2 into 3 equal to 6. But here we are finding the LCM. So for finding the LCM, what we do is, we'll divide, keep on dividing till we get all 1. So I am dividing with 2. Only once we reach here, I am dividing it with 2. 1 2s are 2. 3 is the remaining. Now I'll divide with 3. I'll get 1 and 1. So I got the answers as 1 here. So till we get all 1, we'll be keep on dividing for the lowest common multiple for LCM. Now for LCM, we'll be taking all these numbers until you get 1, whatever you got. Okay. So how do you get LCM of 12, 18 will be equal to 2 into 3 into 2 into 3. Okay. So what do you get? 2 into 3 is 6 into 6. 6 6 are 36. Or you can take 2 into 2, 4 into 9. Anyway, When you multiply all these things, you're getting the number as 36. It's the same number LCM. Do you see? It's the same. So both the methods are possible. But when it comes to multiples, writing the multiples, big numbers, when it becomes difficult for us. So the better method for us is using prime factors. Okay, you can use prime factors and then you can divide them. Now, moving on to the next slide, let us see the question. Find the LCM of 20, 25 and 30. Which method are going to use, children? Are you going to write the multiples or are you going to divide it? I'm going to divide it. You can use whichever method you want. For me, LCM division is easier. So 20, 25, 30. And you are also going to learn this. You are also going to stick to this. So 0 and 5, 0. The last digits are 0, 5, 0. Which number is completely divisible? When 0 and 5 ending in 0 and 5, you can divide it by using 5. So you get 4 5s are 25, 4 5s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 6 5s are 30. Now we got 4, 5 and 6. Is there any number that will go in all the three? No. There are no numbers. 5 is a prime number. So with 5 if you divide, 4 cannot be divided, 6 cannot be divided. So it is over. So our HCF of 20, 25 and 30 is going to be 5. But here we are not finding the HCF, we are finding the LCM. So what are we supposed to do? We are supposed to divide it further. We have a prime number, that is 5. So first we'll divide it using 5. Then we get 4 cannot be divided. We'll write it as it is. 5 one time. 6 cannot be divided, so we'll write it as it is. 4, 1 and 6. Okay. Then 4 and 6 is there. We can divide it using 2. 2 2s are 4. 1 as it is. 3 2s are 6. Now we got 2, 1 and 3. You can divide it by 2. 1 2s are 2. 1, 3. Again divide it by 3. You get 1, 1 and 1. I hope you're following what I'm doing here. So what will be the LCM? LCM of 20, 25 and 30 is equal to, we have to multiply all these numbers, children. All these numbers. That is 5 into 5 into 2 into 2 into 3. That is, how much do you get? 5 into 5 is, or 5 into 2 is? Easier way, multiplication you have learned already. 5 into 2, 5 into 2. 5 into 2 is 10. So you get 10 into 10 into 3. What is the answer? Answer is 300. So LCM, lowest common multiple, will be 300. Okay. Now moving on to the next question. 3 boys step off together from the same spot. That is, they are standing at the same place and they are going to move from there. Their steps measure 63 centimeter, 70 centimeter and 77 centimeter respectively. What is the minimum distance each should cover so that all can cover the distance in complete steps? The question is minimum distance. So are you to find LCM or are you to find HCF? The word minimum. HCF is highest. High means great, big, maximum. All those things will go for high. For small, minimum, shortest, all those things it is least. Isn't it? So minimum distance means you are supposed to find the LCM of all these numbers. So the question is for LCM of 63, 70, 77. As I told you, children, these are looking like word problems, but you need not write all the steps and all for this. It is directly finding the LCM. You have to understand that it is finding LCM and then you do it directly. Okay, you need not write the steps over here. Don't waste your time on writing steps and all in this case. So you have 63, 70 and 77. Now we are going to divide. First prime number is 2. Will 2 go? No, the last digits are 3, 7. You cannot divide it by 2. 3. Will 3 go? 6 plus 3 is 9. Yes, you can divide by. But 7 plus 0 is 7. You cannot divide by 3. So what are you going to do? So we saw that 3 is also not possible. Then next prime number we have is 5. The numbers ending in 0 and 5. Numbers are not ending in 0 and 5. There is 3 and 7. So 5 also gone. Next number is 7. 7 we haven't learned any divisibility, children. There is a trick for 7. I'll teach you later. Now if 2, 3 and 5 is not going, then you try with 7. 7's table, multiplication table, if you say 7 9s are 63, 7 10s are 70 and 7 11s are 77. So you got 9, 10 and 11. Now in this, which one is a prime number? 11 is a prime number. So we'll divide it by 11 first. So we get 9, 10 and 1. Okay. Next we'll use 3. So we have 3 3s are 9, 10 and 1. Then we'll go with 3. I told you we have to use only prime numbers and then we have to reach up to 1 1 1. Okay, this is prime factorization. So next we'll do 10. You can divide it using 5. 1 2 1 and then again you can divide it by 2. 1 1 1. Keep doing it this way, children, till you get 1. As you do many problems, then you'll be well versed in it. Looking at the numbers itself, you'll know how to find the LCM. You need not do the whole steps. Halfway through, you will be able to find out what is LCM and what is HCF. Practice makes a man perfect. So practice it. So here we'll get LCM as 7 into 11 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 2. Now 5 into 2 is 10. So you get 7 into 11 into 3 into 3 is 9 into 10. Now what do you get? 7 into 9 is 63. 63 into 11 into 10. Multiplication by 11 I have already told you. So what do you get the number? This will be 693 into 10. That is equal to 6930. I hope you remember multiplication by 11. I had told you earlier how to find multiplying easily using 11. So you have to use that method and then you'll get 693 into 10 is 6930. So LCM of all these will be 6930. So after 6930 centimeters, all these people will be again together. Okay, that is equal to, if you want to convert, you can write 69 meter and 30 centimeter. Now let us look at the next question. The traffic lights at 3 different road crossings change after 48 seconds. So it is given in seconds, 48 seconds, 72 seconds and 108 seconds respectively. If they change simultaneously at 7 a.m., what time will they change simultaneously? So at 7 o'clock in the morning, all the traffic lights changed together. Okay, at different road crossings changed together at 7 a.m. Now we have to find out at what time again it will be changing together. Okay, so we have to find out 48 seconds, 72 seconds and 1/800 seconds. We have to find out what is the minimum time taken for these three to change together. Okay, so what is that we are supposed to find out? We have to find out the LCM, traffic light problem. We have to find the LCM. Clear? So we are going to find the LCM of 48, 72 and 108. It is all in seconds. You need not write seconds here. So 48, 72 and 108. The last digits, when you take the digits in the units place, it is 8, 2 and 8. So you can divide easily using 2. So you get 24, you get 36 and you get 54. Again you have the digits 4, 6 and 2. So we can divide again using 2. So we get 12 2s are 24, 18 2s are 36 and 27 2s are 54. Now 12, 18 and 27. 7 is there at the units place. So we cannot use 2. So now we'll have to think about 3. Will 3 go? Yes, they are all multiples of 3. 3 4s are 12. 3 6 are 18. 3 9s are 27. Now we have 4, 6 and 9. Now will any number go? Will 2 go? No, because 9 is there. 2 will not be. We cannot use 2. Then will 3 go? No, 4 is there. 4 is not divisible by 3. Will 5 go? Obviously not. Will 7 go? No, 4 and 6 are smaller than 7, so you don't have to think about it at all. So that means our common factors are over. Okay, because after 7, the next number is 11. All the three numbers here are 11, less than 11. So we need not think about prime factors at all. Prime factors are over. So the common prime factors are over. So HCF will get 2 into 2 into 4. This is our HCF. 12 will be our HCF. But we are not here to find the HCF. We are here to find the LCM. So let us take, we are going to divide it by 2. 2 2s are 4. 3 2s are 6. And then we get 9. Now I'll divide again using 2 because I'll get 1, 3 and 9. And if I divide by 3, I'll get 1, 1 and 3. Again I divide by 3, I get 1, 1 and 1. Do you see, children? So LCM we get as equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. What is the answer there? What is the answer that we are going to get? So as you multiply, children, you will get 2 into 2 is 4. Then you have 2 into 2 is 4. You have 2 into 2 again 4. 4 4s are 16. Into you have 3 into 3 into 3. That is 27. 16 into 27. If you do, you will get the answer as 432. So LCM is going to 432. But you see the question, children, it is given as 48 seconds, 72 seconds, 108 seconds. So here the answer also should be in seconds. 432 seconds. Now we know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Or we can say 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. So 432 seconds will be equal to 432 by 60 minute. So when you divide 432 by 60 divided by 60, I am doing it long division. Then what do I get? 7, if I put 7 zeros are 0, 420, the remainder is 12. Okay, so this 7 is a minutes, children. We are dividing, we are getting in minutes. Whatever is remaining of 432, 432 is the second. So whatever is remaining there, that is in seconds. So what you get here is 432 divided by 60, that will be 7 minutes and 12 seconds. 7 minutes and 12 seconds. So all the three traffic lights will be changing simultaneously after every 7 minutes and 12 seconds. Now it has changed. Now it has changed at 7 a.m. So at what time it will be changing again? So we have to find the required time. It has changed at 7 a.m. So it is 7 a.m. plus next change will be in 7 minutes and 12 seconds. So the answer will be 7 a.m. after 7 minutes and 12 seconds. So at this time, okay, 7 and the minute is 07, 60. 2 digits are there for minutes, so we'll put it as 07. If you put as 7 also, no issue. So 7, 7, 12. So after 7 a.m., 7 minutes passed and 12 minutes seconds, 12 seconds. 7 minutes after 7 minutes 12 seconds is passed, again the traffic lights will change simultaneously. Understood? So this is how you have to find it. Now, find the LCM of the following numbers. Observe a common property obtained in the LCM. Okay, let us see the LCM of 9 and 4. We are going to divide 9 and 4. Is there any common factor? No, there is no common factor. So I divide it first by 2. So I'll keep 9 as it is, as I cannot divide. This becomes 2. Then I have again 2. Then I have 9 and then I have 1. Then I get it as 3. 3 3s are 9. 1. Again I divide it by 3. I get 1 1. So LCM of 9, 4, that is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. What is that coming? 2 into 2 is what? 4. into 3 into 3 is what? 9. Same thing, 9 and 4 is the question. We are getting 4 into 9. That is equal to 36. Understood? So did we have to do all these things? When you find that two numbers have got no common factors, or when they have no common factors, we call it as co-prime numbers. When they have no common factors other than 1, they are known as co-prime numbers. That is, when two numbers are co-prime, then LCM of co-prime numbers will be equal to product of the numbers. Now you know how to find the LCM. So I have told you how this. Now let us see the question 12 and 5. So let's see 12 and 5. 12 and 5, is there any common factor? 2, will it go in both? No. 3, no. 5, no. So there are no common factors for 12 and 5 other than 1. That means 12 and 5 are co-prime. Therefore, LCM of 12 and 5 without any division, you can just write 12 into 5, that is equal to 60. Okay. Similar way, 15 and 4 if you take, and 6 and 5 if you take, you can just write 15 into 4 because there are no common factors. 60 will be the LCM. 6 into 5, that will be equal to 30 will be the LCM. Okay. You can do it on your own and you can find out whether it is correct or not. Now, find the LCM of the following numbers in which one number is a factor of the other. Okay. Now, here you see the first one, 5, 20. We know that 5 into 4 is equal to 20. And we know 6 and 18. If you take 6 and 18, then 6, 18 if you take, then we know that 6 into 3 is equal to 18. If you take 12 and 48, 12 and 48 are the numbers given. 12 into 4 is equal to 48. 9 and 45 is given. We know 9 into 5 is equal to 45. Can you see 6 and 18 is here? 18 is a multiple of 6. 48 is a multiple of 12 and 45 is a multiple of 9. So these numbers what are given, they are multiples. Okay, let us find the LCM. So if I take 5 and 20, 5 will go in both. 1 5s are 5, 4 5s are 20. Again till getting 1, if I divide 2, again if I divide 2, 1 comma 1. What I am getting, LCM of 5 comma 20 is equal to 5 into 2 into 2. What is the answer? 5 into 2 is 10. 5 into 2 is 10, or you can write it as 5 into 2 into 2 if I take 5 into 4. Do you see here? 5 into 4 is 20. That is equal to 20. So the bigger number, whatever is given, 5 and 20 was given, the bigger number becomes the LCM. So in that case, 6 and 18, what will be the LCM? The LCM will be 18. LCM of 6 comma 18. Because 6 3s are 18. 18 is a multiple, therefore LCM will be 18. LCM of 12 comma 48. Now 48 is a multiple, I told you 12 into 4 is 48. Therefore LCM will be equal to 48. LCM of 9 comma 45. 9 multiplied by 5 is 45. 45 is a multiple of 9. Therefore LCM will be 45. Are you following, children? So when one number is a factor of the other, if one number is a factor of the other, then the bigger number will be the LCM. When two numbers are given, if one number is a factor of the other, then the bigger number is going to be the LCM. Okay, understand all these things, children, and these questions I have picked up from your exercise textbook. So keep your textbook open and try solving all these things in your notebook on your own. Whenever you get doubt, come back here and then check what is going to be the answer, where did you go wrong. Understood? Try doing it on your own. LCM problems, whatever I have given you. Then there are certain questions I have left out. That is of divisible. Wherever the word divisible is coming, I have left out all those questions. I'll be discussing it in the next class. So till then, bye bye. Happy days. Enjoy your Onam. All of you, be happy. Keep everyone around you also happy. Okay, children? Bye bye.